Okay, welcome back. My name is Chris Palmer. If you're brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, I will go over an advanced SEO keyword research method that I call SERP sampling. Now, this is an advanced method, so if you're brand new to SEO or keyword research or keyword competition research, this method may not be for you. However, I will discuss and walk you through the process. First and foremost, like always, I'll go ahead and draw it out. I'm a visual learner. I'll give you the method visually, and then I'll go ahead and I'll show you. I did a little test sample just to show you what it would look like in the wild. So this keyword SERP sampling method basically goes like this. Let's say that you have done your keyword research, okay? You've perfected your keyword research and you have probably, okay, narrowed it down. All right, so let's say this is your keyword research. Let's undo this. Let's say you did your keyword research and you have 10 keywords, all right, you want to go for, all right? So how this SERP sampling keyword research analysis process works is you've already done your keyword research, all right? You have found the 10 best keywords that you think you want to target. So what you will then do, or what I do, this is one method, one advanced strategy, okay? This is something that you can go ahead and do. You can go on to YouTube, okay? YouTube, which is owned by Google, as you know. What you will do is you're going to sign up for a live event, okay? So it's going to be a live event. You're going to go on YouTube and you're going to create, all right, a live event with your keyword, all right? You're going to schedule that live event with your keyword inside, okay, inside the phrase. You're going to schedule it out and then you're going to check the SERP, okay, the search engine results, and you're going to see the position on the SERPs. Where did it come? Was it on page 2? Was it on page 3? Was it on page 4? And you will go directly through your list, all right, of the 10 keywords that you have found. Now, this is an advanced keyword competition analysis method. I call it SERP sampling. And what you're doing is you're sampling the SERP for competition level. So when you go ahead and you put in your keywords into the live event and schedule it, it's going to rank somewhere. Now, out of your list of 10 or 20 keywords, you will come to find that one of those keywords, all right, maybe 2, will rank far above faster than all of the others. Now, that is what I would call a soft SERP. Now, how you would go ahead and put this in action is very simple. As I mentioned before, I went ahead and I just did a quick test, and this is what it would look like. I did a very the chances of getting it to show up. I did checking weak SERP. So this is the SERP sampling method. I went ahead, I explained it to you. But when you check out, now obviously this is going to show up number 1 because I have all of these funny words in here along with some of the others. Now when you're checking your keywords, you will come to find out that some of them will rank a lot higher than others, and that will be the keyword that you need to target because you know that this is a soft SERP. Now, this is an advanced method. If you don't know how to go into YouTube, it's very simple. You'll go to YouTube. All right, this is going to be my channel. You'll go up here in the right-hand corner, okay? You'll click on the button, and there's an option to go live, all right? Now remember, you've already performed your keyword research. You already have a ton of new, so you can click on the webcam. Oh, my webcam doesn't work, but you would go to webcam, go to live, You have the new stream. You can use stream too. You're going to see how there's a button here, right here, schedule later. You could schedule it for tomorrow, but what I have found is I like to do just a couple hours in advance. When you create your title, you're going to put your, it could be anything. You know, your keyword goes here. We are testing the SERP, right? So this is what I call SERP sampling. This is an advanced keyword research tactic to find soft SERP so you too can sample the SERPs to find the best keyword that you could easily rank for. Now, I hope that you have found value in this. You know, not too many people share this kind of information, so I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up anyway, and we'll see you in the next SEO video. Have a wonderful day.